is this? It's some kind of piece of paper. It's Bubbah and Rum Rum! Bubbah and Rum Rum, what are you guys doing? And why are you connected to this paper? Hey! They're pulling it off. Oh, it's a puzzle! A teddy bear puzzle. Do you guys want to do this puzzle?
Yes!
Okay. All right, let's take the puzzle, and now let's take it over to the table and dump it out. We need to put this together. Okay, here are all the pieces, and here's the teddy bear. Let's find the first piece. We need to find a leg. Where is it? I wonder if it's this. Let me try. No, that doesn't fit. I need to pick a different piece. Maybe it's this one. Let's try. No, but what if I turn it?
Yes!
There we go. That's the first piece. Now, where's the other leg? Is it here? Let me see. I don't think so. That doesn't fit. Bubbah, is it this piece?
Yes!
Okay, let's try, Bubbah. Yes, you got it. Now we have both legs.
Now let's do the arms.
Okay, Rum Rum, that's a good idea. We're going to do the arms next. The first piece is going to go right there. I think it's going to be the same color as the legs, so it will be this or this. Is it this one or this one? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay, Bubbah, let's see. You got it! It's perfect! Now let's take the other arm and put it right... Wait a minute. Oh, I need to turn it. See? The thumb goes right there. Now I understand. We have both arms and both legs.
Yay!
Okay, let's do the head. Look at those ears. I know those ears. Where are they? There they are! I think this is exactly what we need. Yep, the teddy bear's head with eyes. Alright, there's the pieces, and here's the teddy bear. I think we should do the mouth. Where's the mouth? I think it is this one, the yellow piece. And put it with the teddy bear. Yes! We just have to do the rest. Hey, Bubbah, what are you doing? I need these pieces. Silly Bubbah. Let me take these back. All right. We have the pants and the shirt. I think the red is the shirt. The pants go there and the shirt goes there. All right, so wait a minute. Where are those pants? Rum Rum, give me those pants back. Silly Rum Rum. Oh my goodness. Okay, the blue pants. Do they go like this? No. Do they go like this? No, that's not right. How about this one?
Yes!
Yes! Now the pants are in place. All right, time to put in the shirt. Where is it? Bubbah! You're not supposed to be wearing the teddy bear shirt. Give me those. Silly Bubbah. All right. Two pieces. Let's try to put this one right here. That's not gonna work. Maybe if I put that there and that there. I'm just gonna move it over a little bit. Moving it, and it worked! Okay, just one more piece. That's this piece with the buttons. I think it's gonna fit perfect. We did it! The teddy bear is all done. And Bubbah and Rum Rum are so excited. Great job, Bubbah, and great job, Rum Rum. We finished the teddy bear puzzle. All right, guys, what a fun day. But now, it's time for bed. Bye-bye, Rum Rum, and bye-bye, Bubbah. Go to our website, bubbahsworld.com, to learn more about Bubbah.